How's it going, folks? Looks like we have another usurper in the office. It's always a Democrat. We know that Kennedy was a usurper because he lost to Nixon, but somehow he got in there anyway. Then Obama was a usurper because he was born in Kenya. He's there illegally. He spent 8 years usurping that office, which means everything that they all signed is null and void. And now we got another usurper in there. Somebody who blatantly stole the election. So what do? Well, there's a lot of options we have, but they're starting to be dwindled down, okay? When they start to strangle our freedom of speech, well, what do we have left? You know, there's going to be a time. There's going to be a time when there's a revolt. There's going to be some people out there who have just had enough, and there's going to be some bloodshed and everything else. And I don't want to see it. I'm not real happy about even thinking about that happening, but what can we do? You know, when free people love their freedom, you have to kill them to take it from them. The same thing goes with tyrants and their power. When they love their power, you have to kill them to take it from them. So what do? Huh? It's a stalemate. You have free people that love their freedom, and you have tyrants who love their power. So what do? It's a catch-22, right? Well, there's more of us than there are of them. Okay? But bottom line is, if they want to take my freedom, they have to kill me. If we want to take their power, we have to kill them. That's basically it. They're never going to say, I'm sick of being a tyrant. Here you go. Here's your power. You know? They're never going to do that. And, well, there's a lot of Americans, or at least people who are born here or at least live here, can't really call them Americans, who say, oh, okay, government, you want my freedom? Here you go. You take it. You know? But true Americans, dyed-in-the-wool, red, white, and blue Americans, we don't give up our freedom. We fight for our freedom. And, well, looks like we're going to have to get up there and fight for our freedom pretty soon if things don't change. We have Joe Biden up there illegally usurping the White House and writing out executive order after executive order. Actually, he's not writing them out. He's just signing his name to them. Obama is making the executive orders. Him and his little staff. That's what's happening there. Okay, so we have this Kenyan Muslim homosexual who's usurped the White House once for 2 terms. Now he's usurping it again through a little puppet named Joe Biden. And then we have Kamala Harris, who she's usurping that office too because she's on his coattails. So, yeah, there's no legitimate people in the White House right now who are controlling anything. And if they were legit, do you think that they would have to have the National Guard there? You think they'd have to have big fences and walls and troops and everything else there? No. This is the end of the coup, okay? They took over the government. Okay, and by they, I mean the leftists, the communists, the Nazis, okay? And don't even start with that revisionist history bullshit, okay? Where the Nazis were right-wing. No, Nazi means National Socialist. There's nothing right-wing about a socialist, okay? And for those people who say, well, Hitler wasn't really a socialist, okay, yeah, gun confiscation, national health care, national minimum wage and everything. Gee, that sounds like Democrat to me. It doesn't sound too much like Republican now, does it? Doesn't sound too much like conservative. But, you know, you have this revisionist history now. And people are trying to tell you that, well, the Nazis, they were right-wingers. I mean, go look on Wikipedia right now. Look for Bull Connor. They're going to say he was a right-wing extremist, but then in, you know, real fine print, he says he's Democrat. Okay? You can't be Democrat and right-wing. Sorry, it doesn't work. Even during Bull Connor's time. Okay? So you have all this nonsense going on. These people rewriting history. That you have statues being pulled down. Black Lives Matter gets this, Nobel Peace Prize nomination and everything. I mean, yeah, Saddam Hussein, you know, is he posthumously thought of too there where the Peace Prize is concerned? I mean, you know, why not just nominate Stalin or Chairman Mao or whatever? I mean, come on. I'm testing out my equipment and everything here. I decided I'd make a video, and I just renovated my studio. As you can see behind me, it's gorgeous. It's all lit up, nice and beautiful, and well, you know, I've got my lava lamps over there, and you can't really see them. Got Guy Fawkes right over there. Got Old Glory right there. Got my mood lighting going and everything. I'm really stoked. I'm really liking this. And so I wanted to get up here and just make a video. Say hi to everybody on Magabook. And if you're, I might post this to Facebook. If I do, if there's enough people on Magabook to make it worth my while, I might just leave Facebook altogether. But I am kind of over there, but I'm more so on Magabook. But if I post this on Facebook, magabook.com, M-A-G-A book.com. Okay, it's they've got a wonderful site. They're improving things. They're making things better. I mean, you can't go wrong. I mean, it's just really good. So I'm enjoying myself over at Magabook. Get your friends to come over and everything. You know, tell Zuckerberg that you know, he can kiss your ass, and that's it. But I'm gonna get my fat ass out of here. Just decided I'd just make a little commentary and test out the equipment and everything, and well, say hi to people on Magabook. So here I am. Take care, folks.